Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Elaine with me. Super fun. We've done a few videos on her. It was so fun. The first time she'd come to me, she wore her hair a little bit longer and more curled, and we have changed it into a fun, spunky Pixie. It is super cute. She loves the back short, so we do a number 4 clipper on the back, and then we do the other short and have it fun and spiky, and it's just so cute on her. It's really fun. She and her sister come, and they come from way up north, and it's super awesome because Brent, her awesome husband, is so sweet, and he drives them down here, and so all 3 of them get their hair done when they come down. And anyway, it's so much fun. So much fun. We've become really good friends, and it's awesome because, like, now I know, like, the kids and the grandkids' names and anyway, and it's fun to hear all the stories. And anyway, it's exciting. They get to go to Germany here tomorrow to go stay with one of their sons. So
daughter.
Oh, is it yours? Oh, okay. Her daughter. Just kidding. It's not her son. That's her daughter. After I said I get to know your family. Okay, so you guys can see I did the number 4. It's up here, just in between her ears. That's how far up I go. And then on this top, she likes it nice and short and spiky. So it's easy. Obviously not extremely short, but anyway, we're excited. We're gonna talk about a little bit of color for next time. So, and her sister, I'm going to be doing a video on her also. She loves purple in her hair, and Elaine's done purple too before, but now she's wanting to try maybe a red brown. Anyway, so we're going to talk about that next. So that'll be fun. So you can see I'm just point cutting into this just so I can see that there's enough to like hold out. So it will stand up for her. It's cute. She has a natural curl wave. It's really cute, which is nice because it gives her body when we dry it. So you can see I'm bringing it into here. I am going to blend this a little bit more. But yeah, I'm just getting this length first, and then we'll come back and blend that a little bit better. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. We have had, oh goodness, it's been 2-3 years. I mean, how long has it been now? At least 2 years.
Yes, I think.
Going on 3 maybe.
Yeah, it was during COVID actually, so it's been 3 years, I think.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So yeah, anyway, we've had a lot of fun. Okay, now I'm just going back up to meet up with this layer up here on top. I'm going to come off to the side. Down this way. I love the color of her hair. This white is gorgeous. So many people like will ask me, hey, can you just color my hair white? And I'm like, sure, if you want it really damaged, you bet. Okay, how short do you want it over your ear? Do you want it over your ear, or do you want it to cover your ear?
Over my ear.
Over to cover it, or just cut out?
Cut out.
Yep. Just making sure. That's what I had in my head, but you know. Okay, so just cutting behind her ear, get that hair out of there. Okay, so we'll cut this front and her sides, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to blend that back. Okay, so we're coming up front. Point cutting into that also. So Elaine, have you liked it shorter?
Yes,
your haircut?
I have.
Good.
I get lots of compliments on
Good.
my hair all the time, so.
I love it.
Although our two youngest boys keep telling me, Mom, there's got to be somebody closer than Nephi who can cut your hair.
That is so cute. I love it. I love it.
I said, well, I found someone I like and I'm not going to change.
That is so sweet. I love that. That is funny. Oh, too cute. Okay, so now that I have that top, I'm going to come over to the sides. I'm going to take from her ear and cut up. Yeah, well, I'm really excited that you guys still drive after a few years. It's so fun. It's great. It's great. It's great. I know they've come in snowstorms. They've, oh.
Rainstorms.
Yep, rainstorms. We're just grateful that they're safe. And I love it. They always get to go to lunch. That's always a plus. Okay, just go up around this ear. Okay, so it's a little bit long through that front, I could tell, so I'm just gonna trim that off. Okay, just taking a little bit of length off through here. She does like it piecey though, you know, kind of around her face like this. Okay, now we'll come over to this side. Take some of that length. And this length a little bit. Yeah, Elaine's had children all over the world, so it's been fun to hear stories. Okay, now down from her ear. Just clean that up. Okay, and then push this forward. Just come and piece that out. And then her bangs, she likes to leave long. So like I barely just kind of trim those. We just leave what's there. Okay, perfect. Now to blend, I'm going to come through and I'm gonna bring from this short part up into that. And it's blended pretty darn good now, but I'm just gonna go up and take that up a little bit just to blend it a little bit better. So you can see my comb is horizontal and I'm going upward to just blend that, and you can see that starting to blend through there. And be careful when you go in with your clippers, you don't want to go in hard, you know, it'll take a chunk. So if I was you, just to get used to it, just kind of go, you know, softly, and you can go slow, and that just blends that in good. Okay, all right, now for the bottom, she likes her hairline up tight and short, so she doesn't have to deal with that. So we take it up here, just clean that. It's the best feeling, isn't it, when you get your neck shaved? When I get my hair cut and they do that, I'm like, yep,
Yeah.
I love it. Exactly. It's like the best part. I don't know, I always tease though, because I'm like, I don't know what the best part is, because getting it washed feels good and styled, and then like, just getting it done feels good. Okay, awesome. Now, we'll go ahead and texture through this top. What that's gonna do, I'm just doing it a little bit through here. That is just going to leave little hairs in there so the hairs will stand up. And I don't like to do too much. She has fine hair, so I don't love to do too much, but she has to have some there to help it lift. Okay, so now what we'll do, I'm just gonna kind of spray this down a little bit, just get it a little bit damp. We're gonna put the mousse in. And then half of the time, sometimes I'll come back up through her top and her front, take a little bit of the length off. I just like to make sure she has enough length on top before I cut it too short. So we always kind of check it first and then go from there. Okay, so, all right, now I'm going to take the volume and lift spray, and just spray that a tiny bit. Okay, then we'll dry. We're just gonna dry this back down, which is nice because it's already cut into place. And then back and forth with the fingers, back and forth with the blow dryer. Okay, then I always take the Epic brush, go back and forth. This will give it volume. So if you need volume, this is a great way to get it, especially if you don't want a round brush. A lot of people have a hard time round brushing. So if you do, this is another way of getting the volume in there. Okay, now we're gonna make sure that that's all dry. And we'll come in and flat iron. You doing good, Elaine?
Yes.
Okay, awesome, awesome.
So we were taught to our daughter that's in Germany yesterday, and I said, "Do you girls have a flat iron?" And she said they do. I said, "Good, I won't have to bring mine then."
That's perfect. That is so cute. There's probably like, whoa, Graham uses a flat iron. That's amazing. I love that. That's so cute. Well, good. That's one less thing to have to pack, right?
I know. That and my blow dryer, I don't have to pack that.
Yeah, and those are like big things, you know, so they can take up some room. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking the flat iron and I just pull it straight out from her head. Okay, and then before I put this stuff in, I'm just gonna check if we need any more length off. That feels about right, does that, Elaine? All right, now I can just see we're a little heavy over here on the bangs, so I'm just gonna kind of take a little bit of that out, just because it was just a little bulky there. So I wanted to kind of take a little bit of that out. And a little bit right here. That's what's fun, is once you get to know somebody's hair, you know what's gonna bug them in a couple weeks. So when you see it, you just take it off a little bit more. Okay, awesome. Okay, now we will take the styling paste and I just take my fingertip in there, get a little bit in there and rub it in good in my hands. And then you can just go in and start grabbing at the hair. So you can see how cute this is. It pulls out, but then it goes really tight into her neckline. And I really like that. It looks very clean and classy. Okay, now I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so I can see. I always say I'm gonna turn to the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Because I just start, grabbing at the hair and okay. All right, now what I'm gonna do is just back comb a tiny bit, and then we'll spray. And that's what she loves the most is it takes just a couple minutes to style.
Yes.
But it is so, so cute and modern. And it just makes her look like she's just a fun person. And so it brings out her personality. It's just crazy how this haircut has fit her.
Brent's sitting over there laughing.
Brent, are you laughing at us again? Okay, let's see. He's saying personality, like they love to tease us. Okay,
yes.
Well, that is adorable. So thank you so, so much, Elaine.
Thank you.
You betcha. And thanks to all of you that watch, and I hope you enjoyed this haircut. I'm gonna turn her around one more time so you can see the number 4 back there. Super cute. Anyway, thanks again, and you guys have a great day. If you need the hairspray or paste, down in the description, there is a link. You can just push on that, and you should find it there. So thanks, have a great day. See ya.